introduce yourself. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, meron na naman tayong bagong baybayin video. But please bear with me kasi medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko. But nasa mood ako mag-film. So eto. Ngayon. Anyway, if you haven't watched our previous baybayin videos, ililink ko na lang sila sa baba or dito. So sa mga previous baybayin videos, na-discuss na natin ang origins ng baybayin at kung paano magsulat ng baybayin. We also discussed the second video kung tungkol sa modern baybayin with extended characters at mga baybayin frequently asked questions. So this time naman, i-discuss naman natin ang tungkol sa baybayin numerals or numbers in baybayin. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, disclaimer lamang po. Kasi baka naman sabihin na naman ng iba. Anyway, hindi po ako nagmamagaling. It's just that I love learning new things and gusto ko ding ibahagi sa inyo yon. Dagdag kaalaman na lamang po. So yes, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, first, according to Paul Morrow, ito, favorite ko siya. Like, when it comes to baybayin, sobrang ang dami niyang research, and dami niyang study. So, yes, you can find his literature sa paulmorrow.ca. Ililink ko ulit yon sa description box. So, according to him, Filipinos in the pre-Hispanic era mainly used the baybayin for writing poetry and short messages to each other. Kaya lang, hindi ito na-adopt sa commerce or scientific data. That's why, hindi daw na-develop ang numbers in baybayin. So yes, wala pong numerals in baybayin. So according to him, numbers are written as words. So for example, we have isa. So isa, you will write it down as I and SA. So E and SA. Naka-spell out yon as words. So meron yung mga document ng numbers on the page entitled Baybayin Handwriting of the 1600s. Nandun, meron silang mga numbers doon na naka-spell out as words yung numbers. So yes guys, I'm sorry to inform you, pero wala pa talagang baybayin numerals. But then, hango kay Guillermo Tolentino, a national artist for sculpture, being interested in the possible origins of the Philippine scripts, meron tayong Tagalog numerals na tinatawag na Bulilag. Yes, meron po tayong Tagalog numerals according to him, pero hindi niya rin state yung origins noon. Wala, hindi mo mahahanap sa book niya. Pero nandoon yung kung paano isulat yung Bulilang and its corresponding meanings. So, I'll insert a clip kung paano isulat yun. Origins is unknown. The then Department of Education, Culture, and Sports, now Department of Education or DepEd, pinrint nila yung Bulilang in one of the first edition of high school algebra book cover in 1980. So in the cover of the book, it shows how Bulilang is written when the digits start in two levels, or 10, 11, 12, and so on. So, sinusulat nila yung 10, 11, 12, and so on. Nagsistart sila sa right to the left. So, I will insert a clip on how they are being written. So that's it for today's guys. Sana po ay may natutunan na naman kayo sa video natin. So if nagustuhan niyo yung video, please click the like button and then comment kayo kung anong nais niyo sabihin. May suggestions kayo, comments kayo, anong gusto niyo yung topic for our next videos. And then please hit also the subscribe button and the bell beside it para ma-notify kayo if may bago akong upload. So thank you so much guys for watching. Sa susunod, i-discuss naman natin ang sulat mangyan or ang Mindoro script, Mindoro writing na hanggang ngayon ay ginagamit pa rin ng mga katutubo natin sa Mindoro. So abangan niyo yan guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.